Hello everyone, welcome back to another YNS in Minutes. My name is Marco from the M&A division, and today's topic of conversation will be the logistics market in Indonesia. With the recent ambitious target of 8% of GDP growth set by the new government, we will need to find ways to help expand the economy. One way is through FDI. While there are many sectors that are of interest, today I will be focusing on the logistics market of Indonesia. In recent years, the logistics industry in Indonesia has continued to grow in significance and has begun to contribute to not only the GDP, but also to the development of infrastructure in the area. In the mergers and acquisition scene, many companies have recently begun to look to the logistics sector, with a focus on cold chain logistics. Cold chain logistics is the distribution service that can ship items in a controlled temperature. It usually supports the produce industry as well as the pharmaceutical industry. The cold chain industry is a growing industry in Indonesia that we expect to grow exponentially in the future. Some of our key factors for growth include the e-commerce sector, new infrastructure, and government policies. Especially in the post-pandemic era, the reliance on online shopping platforms such as Tokopedia and Shopee have become a staple in our everyday lives, especially in the larger cities of Java. According to Statista, the e-commerce market in Indonesia is expected to grow at an average growth rate of 9.57% for the next 5 years, reaching a total market volume of $79.3 billion by 2029. Furthermore, during the last 5 years, there have been new infrastructure projects such as a new toll road and new ports. Due to these new infrastructure projects, the ease of distributing goods between cities have gotten much easier, expanding the opportunities for growth to other areas. While there have been great strides in recent years that are pushing forward the logistics market in Indonesia, there have also been both external and internal factors that may be cause for uncertainty. Over the past few years, we have begun to witness the deterioration of internal relations, especially between the West and the East. As a result, trade between nations have become uncertain due to political turmoil. While there have been some changes in regards to the restrictions of foreign investors, there are still many sectors within the logistics industry that are restricted. An example of this would be the courier industry, which still does not allow for foreign majority investment. Another major issue would be the high initial capital costs that the logistics industry has. Due to the asset-heavy nature of the business, it becomes difficult to finance new projects purely through domestic means. As a result, support from overseas companies or financial institutions are often needed. As Indonesia is still a growing economy, Indonesia still faces setbacks in both the technological and capital standpoint. In this case, cross-border M&A can provide an avenue for growth not only domestically, but internationally. In the case of a foreign entity entering Indonesia within the logistics sector, they can provide not only new technology, but potential greater funding to help them finance new projects. This is especially true in the case of asset acquisition and new technology, such as cold storage systems. Overall, including the recent focus from the government to improve intra-city infrastructure, as well as a growing demand for transportation services for both personal and commercial reasons, we can expect the logistics market in Indonesia to continue to grow. Furthermore, with Indonesia's economy growing steadily, we may also begin to see more foreign interest in Indonesia, either in the form of joint operations, joint ventures, mergers, or acquisitions. Thank you for watching this episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to YNS Indonesia. See you on the next episode. Bye-bye.